it close. Alright, that's it. I need to think of something to do before I rage out of anger. What should I do? I know. I will go to the store and cough on the food there as a coronavirus-related prank. Ha 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 ha.
Oh well. It's classic Caillou. Where are you going?
Oh, well, I am going for a walk because I am tired of being stuck in the house for so long and want to get some fresh air.
Oh, okay. Just be back after an hour.
Alright. Thank you, Dad. Alright. Time to go to the store. Okay. Time to cough on the food. Oh yeah. I need to cough on the food on the far left. Time to do that now. Alright. I think my work here is done. Time to go home.
Okay, classic Caillou. How was your walk?
It was good, Dad, thanks for asking.
Okay, now time to... Wait. What happened here? Oh no. I better tell my boss about this. Boss, something is wrong.
What is it?
There were droplets on the food in the food section of the store. I have a feeling that somebody coughed on the food as a coronavirus prank.
Okay. I will check the footage. Oh my gosh. I can't freaking believe that classic Caillou coughed on the food as a coronavirus prank. Thanks for telling me. I will be calling Boris right now.
Okay. Now time to... Oh. My phone is ringing. I need to answer it. Hello. Who is this and why are you calling me?
I'm calling on behalf of your local supermarket. I am just calling to inform you that classic Caillou coughed and spit on the food at the store as a coronavirus prank. We now have to throw out all the food and as a result, you guys have to pay $20,000 worth of food that your son coughed on. I need the money within 1 week, or else classic Caillou will be arrested.
Oh my gosh. I can't believe that classic Caillou did that. Thanks for telling me. He will be punished accordingly.
Alright. Thanks and have a good day.
Classic Caillou, get over right freaking now.
Oh no. I am busted.
Classic Caillou, how dare you cough on the food at the supermarket as a coronavirus prank? Thanks to you, we now have to pay $20,000 worth of food that you coughed on. That's it, you are grounded for 2 months. Go to your room right freaking now and don't come out until your grounding time is over. Go now.
Hello. T-Bone Animate and the Anderson Kids. Yes, classic Caillou no here. I just want to say that I hope everyone is staying safe during this period of time. I know that the situation we are in is tough, but hopefully it will soon be over. Anyway, there should be a Mother's Day special coming out in the next video, so stay tuned. It should be out on Sunday, so bye and see you in the next video.